How to make a Paracord Bracelet Conundrum. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. Today we're going to create this beautiful Paracord bracelet designed by Elena Polkanova. The link down below in the description of this video to Elena's Instagram profile, so you can check it out and find many other great Paracord projects. Today we're going to use this green Paracord 550 and we're going to make the 4-strand bracelet core with the 2 working ends. The full tutorial how to create this 4-strand bracelet core you have in the top right corner. Also there you can find the tutorial for this beautiful Paracord bracelet I am wearing today, so check the information cards in the top right corner. So we're gonna start with the left strand. We're gonna insert it from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand and to the side. Now from the back we're gonna pass it through the gap between first and the second core strand from this right side, so from the back through the gap, and now through the loop on the left, and once more from the back side through the gap between first and the second core strand, we're gonna tighten it a bit, and we're gonna leave this loop like this at the moment. Now with this strand, again with the left, we're gonna go and insert it from the back, so not through here but from the back like this, through the loop. Now we're gonna do the right side, so from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand on the right, and then under and from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand from the left side, and here through the loop, and once more from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand on the right side, and with working end, so not through the loop like this but from the back like so. And first close the loop, tighten it, and pull the cords. So this is our weave for today. Now we're gonna repeat the whole process. So we are finished our today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!